Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our review of the Suzuki APV 2025. This versatile van has been a favorite among families and businesses alike, and we're eager to dive into its latest updates. Let's get started. First off, let's talk design. The APV's exterior has received a refresh for 2025, with new headlights that feature a sleek LED strip and a more aggressive front grille. The door handles and side mirrors have also been redesigned for a more modern look. And check out those taillights, they're now LED and feature a unique shape that adds to the APV's stylish vibe. Inside, the APV offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. You'll find premium materials throughout, including available leather-trimmed seats and a touchscreen infotainment system. And with Suzuki's advanced safety features, you'll be protected on the road. Now, let's talk features. The APV offers a range of key features, including a powerful 1.5-liter engine, a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, and advanced safety features like lane departure warning and blind spot monitoring. You'll also find features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a rear-view camera, and a towing package. Under the hood, the APV delivers impressive performance, with a 1.5-liter engine that produces 103 horsepower and 138 lb-ft of torque. And with its advanced suspension system, you'll enjoy a smooth ride on even the bumpiest roads. So, how much will the APV set you back? Pricing starts at around $20,000, making it an affordable option for families and businesses. And what really sets the APV apart is its unique blend of style, comfort, and practicality. With its spacious interior, advanced safety features, and strong resale value, the APV is an excellent choice for anyone in the market for a versatile van. Thanks for watching our review of the Suzuki APV 2025. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the section below. And if you're in the market for a new van, be sure to check out the APV, we think you'll be impressed.